Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Remember, on this channel I always bring my trade setup on my trade page. So this video is like a documentary of my whole week as a forex trader. I've not done this before, so I just want to like a kind of, let me see how it goes. So if it goes fine, I might do it again, but I think it will be very stressful because I'll be having a whole lot to do this week, both the chat part, the video editing, and the record. And the recording is the hardest part of it all. Like, to record video time, me, I'm not gonna lie. So today being Sunday, I would say that I have just few things to do today. First of all, I would like to take some rest siesta because I have my first class with my mentorship student this evening by 10. So I would like to at least have a good rest so that I will be active by that time. So after having my siesta, I would like to go for evening prayer, the benediction. So when I'm done doing that, I think I might, okay, that same at night. I will also somehow do the back test and expect and like kind of find my bias for next week. So that's just what I know I have on my list to do today. So I don't think there is any more thing. So tomorrow being Monday, you see the next part of this video. So cheers. Let me have my siesta. So guys, this is me all dressed up and ready to go for evening prayers. Rate my drip. So I do like after wiping I will just spread my towel aside. You can see that. Just spread my towel aside and so it just get dry. I like my things being somehow neat and organized. So that's just it. I would like to do video while I'm on the road or when I'm in church. So I just have to concentrate. So see you guys when I'm back and probably during my session with my mentee students. So till then. Okay, so I'm trying to mark both the day high and the day low, and then combining it with my field strategy and my RSI divergence strategy. So this is just basically most things I combine to get my A++ setup from the chart. So I can also, that's just the way I do mark out my levels for the day, and I do use it to make my trades. Like that's just basically how I do trades. So I will expect you to do it and then show me your work in our next class. Also, I will say that we are done with both day one and day two. You're able to cover up for the 2 days work in one day. So by day five, I will expect to see you give me like a feedback on your progress so far. And you kind of just try get your laptop and do most of the things we did this night. And I would like to see that too. So good luck to you. So guys, I'm off from my bed and this is 6 o'clock in the morning and this Monday. So I want to go for morning mass, morning prayer and how you see it. So when I'm back, I'll update my Telegram channel on my trade idea for today and what I'm looking out for in the market. So till then, let me first go and pray and come back. So see you guys. So guys, I'm back. I'm ready to update my team on what I'm looking out for on XAUSD. So I let my laptop boot and I'll be able to kind of show you all like what I'm looking out for today in the market. So just stay tuned and check my Telegram channel. This should be 7 o'clock or after 7. So let's see how it goes. Stay tuned. So guys, right now I'm already analyzing the chart and this is 8:21. So I've already sent out my daily overview on the market to the general Telegram channel. If you are there, you can see my post there. So I've already sent out what I'm expecting from the market to do today. Then on my signal channel, the pay signal channel, we already missed a good trade and we're waiting to see if we can get another trade, another good. But we missed the first trade, which I should have sent my second channel, and I'm very confident with that setup. But right now, I have another clean setup, clean out fine, which is already 30 pips in favor. But I exited the trade because I didn't actually have too much confidence. Like I'm not confident with that setup, but I know that it has a chance of playing out, so I have to visit the position and just allow it to play out. And I don't wish to send out trades that I'm not confident with to anyone to trade. So I just want my setups to be A++, especially for my paid signal group. So I will show you my chart and show you the trade I already saw and the one that is already playing out and the one that previously played out. Then if you're my main Telegram channel, you should have seen my daily projection for today. So once that trade plays out that way, I think we are done for the day and we wait for tomorrow to see clearly what the market wants to give us. So here on my chart. So here on my chart, this was the trade that is currently playing out fine right now. and this was when and this was when the when price was here at my entry. So I was already in on this trade here, but I wasn't that confident with this setup. I don't know why, but I'm not just confident with the setup, but I know it has the high chances of playing out up to this area. So I just have to forget about sending it out to anyone, because me personally, that I'm not confident and I'm not planning to risk any money on this setup. So why then sending it out? And it's like a setup going for a cool 1:8 risk reward. So let's just watch the chart and see if this setup actually plays out fine. Then on my high time frame, where I do generate my biases. So if you notice here, market rejected off a zone here, and this was a clear divergence. So once I see a clear divergence, market has a high chance of breaking this neckline. And for market to have broken the neckline, and that break of neckline retested at my area of interest around here, that's why you can see a block around here. So it broke and came back to retest and retest without invalidating any of the lows. So right here was the market opening at this morning, and I wasn't that active. So coming to the chart, market was already here, and I know I can't just gamble buying the market at this higher price. So coming back after morning mass, I see that price has already left the zone I'm looking out for, and it's already somewhere here. And market just been here, it was already past 7. And market's been here, it was already past 7. So I wasn't able to cash this entry perfectly. So now market has already broken a new high, and it must come back to retest the high around here. So hopefully we should get to see this market push all the way up, reject, and then test this zone again. So market testing this zone again should signify a clean buy. So we have two options: either to find a sell around here or to wait for a buy around here. So anyone we're able to meet up with, we then risk it and ride market up to 28. Can you see that? Up to 2897.42. So here's my target for the buys, and if it plays out fine, we just done for the day and wait for next day to see a new setup. So this trade is actually still doing well, but it has not cleared even the first TP, talk more of the second and then the third. So let's just hopefully and wait and see how the setup actually plays out. I will update you guys. Now I'm done trading for today. I won't say it's a great one, but like market nearly whined me today, but regardless. So guys, here on my chart, this was the trade I just sent to my Signal community, but I wasn't able to take this trade from here because I didn't mark out this level. Here was the level I initially marked out. I was looking at the level for a retest. Let's market tap into the level, which was this level. You can see that this was this level. So all of a sudden I noticed that market is likely not going to enter that zone again, and this was when market was already off that my zone, you get. So I wasn't able to enter immediately. So I was looking at market retesting this block here. Just a retest, let me enter from there. But market didn't get to do that. Market just consolidated and started pushing up. So I already missed this good entry. So I forgot about the trade. So this one was initial entry that we initially planned to take. So we are looking at market to just dump straight to that entry. But all of a sudden, I noticed that market is likely not going to come back to the entry because of this security around here. And this was it. I took a sell around here, but a spread took me out, and I just had to respect myself and forget about the trade. We just missed good trades today, but regardless, it's just Monday. I still have more 4 days to go this week, so let's see how the 4 days goes. So guys, with this, I think I'm done for anything trading for today, but I might likely take a personal trade depending on how I feel today. So let me just go take breakfast and just maybe relax with family and find something else to do. Just today is Monday. Let's allow the market to react at that resistance level, and by Tuesday we should be able to get a clear direction of where the market is heading to. So nothing much to say. Let's wait till tomorrow and see how it goes. So no much profits, no big loss. So just a little loss because I funded a small account. Let me see if I can flip it. But the way market is moving today, I don't think market don't want me to ever flip that account today. So don't need to force anything to happen. Let's just allow the market to be. So see you on Tuesday. Okay. Okay, so guys, this is like a summary of how my Monday went, both the trading and just my regular day activity. So, first of all, I showed you that I analyzed the chart in the morning to find my daily buyers and how I'm going to trade. And I also sent it out to my Telegram channel, which, if you're on the Telegram channel, you should leverage on that information. So, after the buys have played out today, I think I wanted the market to see what kind of reaction market will give at that kind of resistance level, of which the market give us a kind of the first kind of reversal that for a buy continuation, but that one failed. So I think I took a second trade, which actually we didn't get to hold to TP because I thought we are already at resistance and market might just reverse from there. So instead of us taking a bigger risk by not managing the trade, we have to exit, and market still did well from there. Went as much as up to 100 pips. So which I will also show you in this, can see that here. So after sending that signal to my page signal group, I took some personal trades which I'm not proud of. That's just it. It wasn't aligning perfectly with my trading style. Then I saw a trade that should have worked out because that one was a clear divergence and a W pattern. Like that trade ordinarily should have worked out, but I'm just surprised like the trade failed, but that's just trading. So high probability setup can also fail. That's why I do say that no matter the trade I sent, always use proper risk management so that you can protect your account against the losses and the wins. So today we took two trades. One did well and the second didn't do well. And roughly, if you should calculate based on when I asked them to exit, they exited the buy trade at 20 pips, and then the sell trade took our 16 pips to 18 pips SL. So plus minus, we are like 4 pips up or 2 pips up. So we are not yet at loss. Capital is still protected. But for me, I took some personal trades that I'm really not proud of, which like which made me lost my $12 I just funded on yesterday. So that's just trading. So you have to just move ahead and try to correct our mistakes and plan for a better trading experience next time. So that's just it for trading today. And right now I've already eaten, and I would say that the stress of those trades have already left my mind. So I'm not like free, and but I won't just like to open my chart today. That's just it, because once you open your chart, you start looking out for setup that's not there. And market right now, gold is undecisive. So trying to find setup now, whether scalp, swing, anything you're just trying to gamble it. So it's not advisable to trade by this time with that market condition on XAUSD right now as I'm making this video. So let's allow the market to breathe. Tomorrow we go again, and that's just it. So right now I will likely either take my siesta or just scroll to my social media and maybe see what other guys are doing out there, traders and other persons on Instagram. So do it to also follow me on Instagram, and we can be friends on Instagram. So that's it for today, and I think I'm done for today. Anything trading work, I think I'm done for today. So tomorrow we just go again. Okay, I have class with my mentee this night, so I think that should be the last thing I have to do in terms of work. Then focus on other house chores. So see you guys tomorrow, and ease yourself. Ease yourself. So that's it. See you guys next time. Bye bye. So guys, I'm up in the morning, and uh, this 5:25 in the morning, so I'm up. I'm planning to go prepare to go for morning prayer and morning mass, and when I'm back, I'll do the analysis, send my group chat, and I think I'll be doing laundry today. So that should be my morning routine at the moment. I don't think there's any much noise I'm going to do this morning. Okay, just if there's anything, I will just update you guys. I'm just feeling sleepy, sharp, but you guys be up and running. That's it. So till then, see you guys. Okay, guys, I'm back from morning mass. So let's take set for today's trading, and make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel and my Telegram channel so you won't miss out on any updates from me. So right now, I'm going to go escort my cousins to school, which after then I show you my chart. It should be 7 o'clock in the morning. So let's see how it goes. See you guys there with a Forex Trader. So guys, I've already done the analysis, and there is this trade I'm looking out for. So it's probably my hyper setup though. So I'm looking out for this trade to actually print us money today. So this is a cool 1:7 risk to reward trade. Can you see that? So price is already halfway into ISA and it's still a good point to enter your trade. So if you're entering from here, it means that you'll probably be getting up to 1:13 risk reward on this trade, which is a very crazy thing with just 15 pips SL, right? So let's just see how it plays out. Once we're able to get this thing complete as a W pattern and a rejection of the zone, then this trade is going straight to take profit. So let's just see how it goes. And this is my analysis on XAUSD. So on my other chart, which is here, you can see that market is planning to maybe tap in back into this area of interest. Can you see that? So probably if we hit SL on that trade, you should just look out for a rejection of the zone, then we can take another buy. But if not, you should just expect market to buy from here. So let's see how the chart plays out and know if you can make money off that analysis. So see you guys, I'll update you on this trade. So at the moment, this particular trade setup has failed. We are not even able to get like, so just like snapper entry to stop loss. But regardless, we still maintain this and try to understand the new market structure. So going back to my overall. So if you check here, you see that market here has already invalidated this supposed rejection area in my point of interest. So which means that this market structure here is already changing. So this break below this previous demand area, this previous support, is telling us something. So probably we should be looking out for a change in market condition, like which is like a change in market structure. So we should forget about buys at the moment and find a sell continuation to the downside. So that's just my new projection on the market. So I would then update my Telegram channel right now on the new update on XAUSD. So let me also check the 4 hours time frame, and you can see that you have already shifted a market structure. So the price is no more visible at the moment. So let me also check using my day trading strategy, a break below the day low, of which you can see that here. It's very clear. So which means that even if I was in the chart around here, this break below my day low, I could have just taken an entry somewhere here, and then my SL just like 30 pips above there. So something like this, breaking it below the day low, and which is like an invalidation of my buy entry. So I will just take with 30 pips. Okay, this is just 40 pips, which is still within the range. I can just take it targeting the previous day high if I should be on the chart around that time when market hits my SL. So this should have been my new setup. You can see that. But let's just wait for a push back to our day low, and then we can find another entry to the downside. Or if market doesn't push here, then probably tomorrow we can see like a correction. Then we continue selling till I would then see the next area we're looking at a demand or market is totally going to change structure. So till then, see you on my Telegram channel. Like stay tuned on my Telegram channel so you can't miss any updates on this trade. So let's see next time.